Aloha, everyone. It's the Goyhunter. I am back. Today is a double doozy, and the winner is, for the birds, an island. Yes. So let's get down to see who the lucky winners are today. And you can see that I'm wearing my good luck hunting shirt because I did go hunting today. I'll be right back with the random comment picker. This is for the birds giveaway. The winner is CMC. And the comment the person wrote is, birds outside kind of freaked me out for a few days after my first watch of the birds. That's hilarious. I remember this comment. Congratulations. You are the winner. And let me get the birds giveaway to remind everyone. Here it comes. Here it is. There it is. Plus the digital code for Intrigo, Death of an Author. Yes, that's the first giveaway. Now let's find out who won the second giveaway. I gotta cue everything up. Hold on, everyone. Okay, folks, now we're gonna find out who the winner of the island giveaway is. I have it all queued up. Let's push the button. This is for the island giveaway. And the winner, Teresa Tello. Hi, Teresa. Congratulations. This is what she wrote. Great video. Tell kitties aloha. Need to take a vacay to an island. Congratulations, Teresa Tello. Yay! Let me go get the stack of movies for the island giveaway. Here you go, Teresa. There you go. All that goodness, plus the best digital code. I love this movie, Bombshell. Bombshell with Nicole Kidman, Charlize Theron, Margot Robbie. Great movie. And congratulations. Now, both winners, CMC and Teresa Tello, you need to get a hold of me via Instagram at GoyPower62_ aka Goyhunter. Again, Goypower62 aka Goyhunter. Please shoot me a little message with your address where you'd like me to mail the package, and then I will get the package to you. I'm making my weekly post office run this week, and I will send you the tracking number. Yes. So I want to thank everyone for watching this video and keeping in touch with the Goyhunter. Okay, that's one for the books, 2 down for the books. I'll be putting out a new vid very, very soon. And Goyhunter out. Arrivederci, ciao, auf Wiedersehen. Peace and love. Spread that, everyone. That's what we need in the world right now. And we're so close to hitting 705. Please, folks. We're so close. Please like. Subscribe. You know, the big prize of the 705 subscriber, a $50 gift card to Best Buy, a $20 gift card to our dear loving Dollar Tree, and that whole stack of movies I always pack. I think there's about 25 DVD and Blu-rays. Comment below. Congratulate the winners. And share the Goyhunter. Please share me. And smash that notification bell so you know when I'm going to drop the next video and you can watch it. Aww. Did I already kiss you guys? Sorry. Sorry. I'm all kissy kissy today. Be safe out there. Stay home if you have to. Get vaccinated if you can. And please, please wash your hands. And the the Blu-ray bandit says, please wear your mask.